Oh yeah, I'll tell you something I think you'll understand when I say that something's. I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. And please say to me, you let me be your man. Girl, please say to me, you let me hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. That's the bridge, I think. And when I touch you, I feel happy inside. Because such a feeling that my love I can't hide, I can't hide, I can't hide. Oh yeah, you got that something I think you'll understand. Yeah, you got that something. I wanna hold your hand.